What if I told you that you could build a professional-grade color palette generator in just minutes using AI? No more struggling with complex code or spending hours on design decisions. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how Claude AI can transform a simple prompt into a fully functional web application that designers and developers would pay for. Hi everyone, I'm Dilawar Khan, and welcome back to AI Code Cascade, where we turn AI into your coding superpower. In our last video, we created an amazing password generator with AI help, and today we're taking it up a notch with something every designer needs. A color palette generator that can generate, save, and manage beautiful color combinations. Step 1. Prompt overview. But first, let's talk about the magic ingredient, the prompt. You see, the quality of your AI output is directly proportional to the quality of your prompt. Today, we're going to use a comprehensive prompt that's going to blow your mind. Our project structure. We're building a color palette generator with 3 separate files. HTML for structure. CSS for stunning visual design. JavaScript for all the interactive functionality. Key features we're building. Random color generation. Creates beautiful hex color combinations. Lock/unlock system. Preserve specific colors while generating new ones. Copy functionality, one-click hex code copying. Favorites system, save and manage your best palettes. Responsive design, works perfectly on mobile and desktop. Local storage, your favorites persist between sessions. The power of a well-structured prompt. Our prompt includes detailed project requirements. This level of detail is what separates amateur prompts from professional results. The more specific you are, the more precise Claude's output will be. Step 2. Claude AI Login. Now, let's jump into action. First things first, we need to access Claude AI. Getting started with Claude AI. Head over to link to claude.ai in your browser. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up and use your Gmail account. If you already have an account, simply click Log In. Once you're logged in, you'll see the clean, intuitive Claude interface. Claude AI is completely free to use for basic projects like this, and the quality of code it generates is honestly impressive. I've been using it for months now, and it consistently delivers production-ready code. Step 3. Paste and review prompt. Now comes the crucial part, pasting our carefully crafted prompt. Let me show you exactly how to do this for maximum results. Prompt preparation. I'm going to paste our complete color palette generator prompt into Claude's chat interface. Notice how I've structured this prompt. Clear project overview. Detailed file structure. Specific feature requirements. Code examples and function names. Visual design specifications. Expected behaviors. Review the prompt structure. Look at this beautiful organization. Project overview with clear objectives. 3 file structure clearly defined. HTML requirements with specific elements. CSS design requirements with modern styling. JavaScript functionality with detailed features. Color schemes and responsive design specs. This isn't just a prompt, it's a complete project blueprint. When you give Claude this level of detail, magic happens. Step 4. AI code generation. Watch this transformation happen in real time. I'm hitting enter, and Claude is now analyzing our prompt and generating professional-grade code. The AI at work. See how Claude is thinking through our requirements. It's creating the HTML structure with all required elements. Building responsive CSS with modern design patterns. Writing JavaScript with all the interactive functionality we specified. Why this works so well? The reason we're getting such high-quality output is because our prompt included specific function names like generate random color and copy hex code. Clear file organization with exact file names. Detailed feature descriptions with expected behaviors. Code snippets that guide the AI's implementation. The 3 files Claude generated. Look at this. Claude has created index, HTML, complete HTML structure with color boxes, buttons, and favorites section. Style link to .css, modern CSS with gradients, animations, and responsive design. Script, JS, full JavaScript functionality with local storage and interactive features. This is exactly why detailed prompts matter. We didn't just get code, we got a complete, professional web application. Step 5. Copying the code. Now let's copy this beautiful code that Claude has generated for us. I'm going to copy each file separately to show you the organization. File by file copy process. First, the HTML file. This contains our complete structure. Second, the CSS file, all our styling and responsive design. Third, the JavaScript file, all the interactive functionality. Notice how Claude has organized everything perfectly. Each file has clear comments, proper indentation, and follows web development best practices. This is production-ready code right out of the box. Step 6. VS Code Setup. Time to bring this to life. Let's set up our project in VS Code. Project Setup. Opening VS Code. I'm launching Visual Studio Code. Creating project folder, making a new folder called Color Palette Generator. Creating our 3 files. Index, HTML, pasting our HTML structure. Style link to .css, adding our beautiful styling. Script, JS, including all our JavaScript functionality. File organization. See how clean this structure is. This is exactly what professional developers use. Live server extension. Now I'm clicking on Go Live from the Live Server extension. If you don't have this extension, install it from the Versus Code Marketplace. Step 7. Browser testing. The moment of truth. Let's see our AI-generated color palette generator in action. Opening in Chrome. I'm copying the live server URL and pasting it into Chrome. And look at this. Our color palette generator is live and looking absolutely stunning. First impressions. Beautiful modern design with gradients and shadows. Professional layout that looks like a premium app. Responsive design that adapts perfectly. Smooth animations and hover effects. This is exactly what we specified in our prompt, and Claude delivered perfectly. Step 8. Functionality testing. Now let's test every single feature to see if our AI-generated code works flawlessly. Color generation testing. Clicking generate new palette. Perfect. 5 beautiful random colors generated. Hex codes display. Each color shows its exact hex code. Visual design. Clean, modern color boxes with proper spacing. Lock, unlock functionality. Clicking the lock button. See how it visually changes with the lock icon. Generating with locked colors. The locked colors stay the same while others change. Multiple locks. I can lock multiple colors and generate variations. Copy functionality. Clicking on color boxes. Instant hex code copying with visual feedback. Copy notification. Beautiful, copied to clipboard. Message appears. Copy buttons. Alternative copy method works perfectly. Favorites system. Save to favorites. Clicking save adds the current palette to favorites. Favorites display. Saved palettes appear in a beautiful grid layout. Load saved palettes. Clicking on favorites loads them instantly. Delete functionality. Remove unwanted palettes with one click. Local storage. Refreshing the page keeps our favorites intact. Responsive design. Mobile view. Resizing the browser shows perfect mobile adaptation. Touch interactions. All buttons work perfectly on mobile. Layout flexibility. The design scales beautifully across all screen sizes. Performance and user experience. Every interaction is smooth, every animation is polished, and every feature works exactly as intended. This is the power of combining detailed prompting with Claude AI's capabilities. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it. In just minutes, we've created a professional color palette generator that would typically take hours to code from scratch. This isn't just a basic tool. This is a fully featured application with random color generation, lock, unlock functionality, copy to clipboard features, favorites management, local storage persistence, responsive design, modern UI, UX. The key takeaways. Detailed prompts produce exceptional results. Claude AI can generate production-ready code. Proper project structure makes development seamless. AI-assisted development saves massive amounts of time. What's next? In our next video, we're going to build something even more exciting. A complete task management app with AI help, featuring drag and drop functionality, local storage, and a beautiful dashboard interface. Call to action. If this video helped you realize the power of AI in web development, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Code Cascade for more AI-powered coding tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest uploads. Drop a comment below telling me what project you want to build next with AI help. I read every single comment, and your suggestions shape our upcoming content. Share this video with anyone who's struggling with web development. Show them how AI can be their coding companion. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and keep leveraging AI to build amazing things. This is Dilawar Khan from AI Code Cascade, and I'll see you in the next video.